Hi people, welcome to a new week. Welcome to new week. So last week just passed. It's been awesome, been wonderful. This is a Nasdaq Samurai channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe. I'm going to give you guys free content on how to be traders, how to understand the market simpler and trade better. All right, so let's get right to business. Okay, now there's something I was teaching guys last week, and I think the market did exactly what I told you guys. Just watch my previous video on the channel. Remember what I told you guys? This trading trick. This trading trick. I told you guys that the market will go like this, come like this, go from a higher high, then this place to come with you from there retest. It can come down here and come down here, come back here to retest and sell. Remember something, I always say this: market either make impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. What does this mean? It's an uptrend. So all this mitigated level, what does it mean? Mean that the market, when the market maker bought, buy, then they sold, sell, then they sell, the close position, they bought again, then where they sold before, the price they sold, they not say a higher price, the previous price they sold to buy around that place again and goes up, and you have an uptrend. Are you seeing that? An uptrend. So let's go to where we are. So if you can see this on the weekly time frame, I tell you the weekly time frame go, we went up from a low, from a higher high, from that, and so that I explained to you guys from here, then it broke. The man told us it would come here, retest, and come here. If you check my previous video, this was what I just explained last week, and Nasdaq is doing it as simple as that. It's not difficult at all. It's like if I've seen it from this future. And it's not as if I saw it from any future. It's just the way the market behaves. So as you can see here now, the market came here, come here. This is an impulse move. So let me use okay, okay, see that? So now the market is correcting here. Let me use right, it's correcting here. Okay, so you can see that. So let me pull the brush. Let me do that. So you can see this is an impulsive move. This bear is an impulsive move. Now the market is correcting on the green here, and the correcting on the green, then you turn the impulse again and you come all the way down. You see it? And you come to this low. It's very easy. So this is what I want to do. I've already showed you guys the trick, the easy. It's just see. That's what they want to do. Nothing different, nothing much. Then this is the zone which I showed us they are coming to work on and getting. So it's like here, go here, and come here. And it's so simple on the weekly. Okay, so now that you can see that one clearly on the weekly, then the next thing you go is on your daily. Next thing you go is on your daily. Now, this is now the second sweetest so to happen. Remember what I told you guys last week? They just did everything, like they just played everything. And we all called the moves. Was wonderful. About what I told you guys on the here. I said to you, this is the impulse, is the correction, this is the impulse. Okay, wait, let me do some reduction. It's kind of a little bit much there. Okay, so the impulse, the correction, the impulse. Now, the market, I told us that the market will correct to this level. I told us that the market will correct. Then from there, you can sell off the way down. But I see something, guys. See something very simple. See something. This is the level the market is correcting to. Let me show you guys because of the weekly chart on supply and demand. the market is gonna correct to this level. Now, if you look at daily time frame, when the market came here, there's a level here. The market made a buy. It came here, retested it, it may have formed a higher high. Now you come here and retest it again, it's not form here. I get it. Then when you form here, you may come here, retest it, form a double top, and from there, I guess in it, from there to just come all the way down. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Simple as that. So it's easy. It's not difficult at all. Now, this is something you should know. When you should understand, there's something in market so called impulse and the correction. The impulse, the correction. The impulse, and the correction. You understand? You should know these things. You should know them. The impulse and the correction. Which one is impulse? Which one is correction? Now, in the weekly time frame, the market is on correction phase. You should know these things. Like when you look at your weekly time, you should know which one is impulse. You should know which one is correction. I will always say this, and I'll keep repeating it for you guys. When you look at your weekly, which one is impulse, which one is correction? In the weekly now, this is impulse, right? This is impulse, right? This is impulse, right? Now, as this is impulse, this is correction on the weekly. This is just correction to give me continue the impulse. Continue the impulse. Are you seeing it? Are you getting now? So see there. On the weekly, now on the daily is different. On the daily, the one we are working with very well. Now on the daily, this is impulse. Now on the daily, look at daily now. Very see something you should know. I will keep repeating this kind of thing for you guys to understand. It's clear. I'm doing it for free. Just give a thumbs up to the video, like, subscribe. It's free. Now see, on the daily, I've said on the weekly now, on the daily, this is impulse, this is correction, this is impulse. Now, this was correction before, but the market frame and formed the new impulse. So from here, daily now is bullish. I get me. So daily is impulsive move is bullish. Its correction move is bearish on daily now. So if daily is correction, impulsive move is bullish, and correction move is bearish, you want to be buying. Okay, if you go and sell now, you may hold losses until the weekly impulsive move is ready. But now the weekly impulsive move is not what? It's not ready. So now meaning that the impulsive move is bullish. So you have to be buying. I get me. You have to be buying. So this is the impulse. Now this is the correction. This is the correction. This is the impulse. Are you getting me? Now this is the correction now to form another impulse to get here. I get me. From there, the market can do another correction, do an all the way down. Then from there, you draw your counter trend line. Oh shit. Okay, I'm coming, guys. That was just a little bit mistake. Are you seeing that? You see that? Very easy. So that's what I'm showing you guys. Some these things is not difficult at all. It's not difficult at all. So this is a correction. So now, as I've already analyzed that, now daily is what? Impulsive. The this correction move, impulsive move is bullish. So you have to be trading with daily, mostly daily own. You can be tracking to the weekly own, but that daily own, the one you want to follow, because that daily for intraday trades. If you like to be trading that day and include that day, you should understand daily own. All right. Now you go to your H4. Remember, we have already tried daily on. So when you try daily on, this is our impulsive. This is our correction. You understand? This is our impulse. This is our correction to form another impulse. We shall have to correct there. So you'll be buying daily. Like this, if you come here now, you'll be looking for just buying position. Don't need to kill yourself about bear. Just be looking for buy. Until you get to that weekly impulsive move zone, this weekly bearish something. Are you getting me? Until you reach there, then from there, you can now start looking for, you now draw your counter trend line. You draw a trend line. You wait for market to break out of your trend line. When you break out of your trend line, then immediately break out of your trend line, you've confirmed on H4 that you are seeing something like a bearish candlestick pattern, in the sense that you can look for something like your drop base drop in supply, like a drop base drop or a rally base drop. I get me, rally base drop or drop base drop in H4. I get me. When you see something like that, it's already broken out of the counter trend line. And you see something like that, you can take your sell. Very simple, and you just swing all these pops, all the liquidity here, all the dollars here, and you just key everything. Okay, so this is what we're expecting. So for now, we are still what buying. For now, we are still what are still buying. So I've showed you guys now how it is gonna be. We're gonna expect next week. Okay, much love to you guys. I think I've dropped the update for this coming week. Remember, we're looking for buys now. We are still buying. We are not saying we're looking for buys here to take the market up. This zone, you have to come here. Then from there, you can get a double top and all the way down. Break your cutter trend line. The dollars there will be liquidated, and there we go. Are you getting it? So simple as that. That's Nasdaq. That's what we're expecting next week. So small, to give it thumbs up to the video, like, subscribe, more video incoming. See you soon. Love you guys.